In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Replit code. Whether you're looking to back up your projects, share them with others, or move your work to another platform, exporting your code as a zip file is a simple and effective solution. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Replit homepage. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to do so. It's important to be on your homepage, as this is where you can access all your projects and proceed with the exporting process. Once you're on the home page, keep an eye out for the Apps section, which you'll need to click on next. This will list all of your current projects. Now take a look through the list and identify the specific project you want to export. In this example, I'm going to select a project that I've been working on. To do this, simply click on the project's name in the list. This action will open up your project dashboard where you can make further adjustments or simply proceed with exporting. At this point, you'll notice a small icon on the right. This icon resembles 3 vertical dots. It's a common symbol used in many applications to indicate more options. Clicking on these 3 dots is a crucial step, as it will open up a secondary menu with additional actions you can take regarding your project. In this secondary menu, you'll want to look for the Download as Zip option. It's generally one of the main choices you'll see in the list. By selecting this, you're instructing Replit to package your project's files into a convenient zip file, which will then be ready for download. Click on Download as Zip once you're ready, and the process will initiate. Your project is now being compiled into a zip file, which typically includes all your code files and assets, making for an easy one-stop download option. After a short wait, depending on your project size, the download should automatically begin. If prompted by your browser, confirm the download and choose a location on your device where you'd like to save the file. This could be anywhere suitable for you, such as your desktop or a dedicated projects folder. And that's it. Your Replit code is successfully packaged and downloaded. You can now share this zip file with collaborators, use it to create backups, or import it into other development environments with ease. Ready for new projects, head back to your Replit dashboard and repeat this process as needed for any other projects you wish to export. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on making the most of your development tools. Happy coding!